Okay, once you finish with firmware, you write everything here, and now you can plug all necessary. This is reconnecting monitor, this old bulky VGA connector. This one, purple, is keyboard. You need to connect to this one, because if you connect to this one it will not work, even they are the same connectors. You have mark keyboard here, and here is mark mouse. So now you plug this here. Then you need to connect SD card. SD card should be formatted into FAT file system, because if you use NTFS it will not work. Then you need to plug this power connector. It's a regular type C. Yes, all connectors are old school, but this one is more advanced. Okay, let's turn it like this, and let's switch the power supply. Maybe I'll put you closer somehow. Okay, so once you it's first time you load this board, you will see configure your Wi-Fi. Did you see it? Well, okay. So what we need is to use mouse, as you can see. Then you need to enter your Wi-Fi network, choose. Then you need to type your password. Yes, so now it's all done. It will update time and date, and we'll restart after. In this menu you can choose which operational system you wanna download and use in this on this board. You can use multiple machines. So as you see, here is different machines. All of these are different machines actually. So you can add new if you wanna do some specific, but you can add multiple images. So you will be have SD like hard drive, first hard drive for booting and second for data or something. You can do it later, but for now we will use this one. This one is fun, so let's press run. First time you press run, it will not run because you need to download it first. And what we see right now, it's firmware is downloading from, I don't know, cloud, some storage. Yes, it's slow, but it's worth it. Okay, let's wait. This one includes few games and also some software like text processor, I guess Word, like super basic. Of course you don't need to use it for every time you use, but maybe you need to make some retro movie, or just nostalgia, or you just for fun like I do. Me personally want to use it for I guess some retro gaming. So I don't know what else I can tell. This still emulation, so it's like limited for what you can actually put in this. But it's fully usable, fully working PC, but it's like old PC, not like some modern era of Pentium or something else. It's basic x86. So I guess we need to speed up this moment, like super fast. I will be right back. I will consider it. Я потом утром просто, Саш. Не буду так оставлять микро. 74, 75. So almost there, almost. Yeah, now it will restart. You will get your PC restart, and you see this menu again, but now it's with countdown, and you can just wait. It will run the latest selected option. For us, this is this one. So here is a welcome to FreeDOS on ESP32. Now you need to remember command line commands. So like it will show you what in this directory. As you can see, here is directories and here is files. And if you want to try, for example, games, you need to use change directory, then start typing game. You can press tab and you will get full name. Then we need to use directory again, and we can play the first one. Okay. So it's a simple game. Okay. F1 to start game. So you need to move and oh, that was fast. Oh, game over. Not bad. So this like that. I will record more video about how to use it, etc. Here is another options. Okay.